Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. Before we get going too far, would you please hit the subscribe button? I'm going to help you out because you're here because you have a burned out reverse bulb, tail light, turn signal, and that's why you're here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Everything that I do to this Toyota Yaris, I've been filming, so if you have a Yaris, subscribe, and as I do things, you'll get more videos. As I said, we got a burned out bulb. It's actually the reverse bulb. So that's what we're going to do today. So on the back side of your tail light, this goes for both sides. There's this little panel right here. Just get your little screwdriver or something and try this out. All right, this here is the panel that the bulbs go into. There's actually another bulb that's up higher here. That one up there is park and stop. This one's reverse, and this is your turn signal. This one needs to be orange. So to get this out, there's a little red tab right here. You just kind of push it just a hair, and it'll pop off. And no bulb. How in the heck does that happen? Weird. So I'm gonna go see if I can find a bulb for that. So I found an 1156 in my stash of lights. Looks like it might work, I don't know. Yeah, it does. And you just push this, hopefully you can see that. Push this down, that little dealio right there, it locks underneath this here. So I'll put it in and show you. See how it's locked in right there. So I'm gonna go get in the car, put it in reverse, make sure we're good. Is it on? Yep, we're good. I really don't like the way Toyota did this. Yeah, all this does is just pull straight off. It hooks on right there, this little red tab, and that's all that holds that in there. And it's snug, secure. All right, now the top one is, you see that little, I don't know what that is, light brown or yellow. You just take that and you actually just spin it. Best way I found of doing this is getting some of these here. Get it started. And it's gonna take some finagling, but it'll come out. These are the wires that go up to it, so when you get it out, you can snake those up. Now, another thing I want to show you is from out here, you can kind of line up where tabs for it, if that makes sense. I'm not going to pull it all the way out though, but that's how you do it. You gotta line those things up, then you got to push and spin, and I'm going to just do that with these pliers. I don't really have a lot of point in pulling it out, so I'm not going to. Lock back in, and we'll go ahead and put this back on. There's a little thing on the bottom here that goes over the bottom edge, and it just pushes into place, locks in the rest of the way. I also think I found the bulb that fell out. I think it's sitting right there. I can see something that looks like gold in this corner. All right, so hopefully that was short, sweet, and to the point for you guys, and that helps you out. I appreciate you guys watching again. Peace out. Talk to you guys on the next one.